Money FM 89.3. Best of breakfast. Companies to watch.
Indeed it is. Companies to watch. And in the hot seat, as usual, is Dan Coe. Dan. Gan. I called you Gan.
You called me Can.
Dan,
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good Tuesday morning, Emaad.
How are you
doing?
Oh, jinx.
It feels like you're connecting a lot better today. Yeah,
it's good stuff, huh?
Yeah, very
I'm doing
good
well.
stuff.
How are you?
I'm doing not too bad myself.
I love the sight of your purple headphones. It just perks me up and makes me really happy.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Can
I
you
love it.
change the color of your headphones because it's making me feel dull?
Mine are pretty
No,
suave.
I'm kidding.
Silver is nice.
It's nice silver. It feels like we're the Power Rangers.
Oh, I love that.
And bringing to you companies to watch, a segment where we spotlight and stock you up with ideas of listed companies as well as some stocks they may call for your attention. So we're looking at market trends and risks and some hidden gems or warning signs to steer clear of. So be part of the conversation, 8855-0893, and tell us whether you think it's going to be a hot or not. We're getting better at this. Okay, Matt, what's red, what's big, and has a lot, and I mean a lot of money?
DBS.
Yes.
My favorite bank, actually.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Is that the only bank you use?
Ooh, I'm going to keep that to myself.
Okay.
But I do bank with DBS, yes.
Okay, yes, and I do so myself as well. Yes, DBS is the largest bank in Southeast Asia by assets and among the largest banks in Asia with assets totaling close to 740 billion Singapore dollars as of 31st December 2023. Now, many know it for their Live More, Bank Less tagline. What do you know it for?
Being my favorite bank?
Okay. I got you there. Now, for others, well, it's a place that they often make sense of their money.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah,
I like
okay,
that.
it's the start
hey,
of
Don,
many,
Dan,
yeah.
Don.
Are you
Wow.
okay? You're getting my name wrong today, Iman.
I was going to say, if it's not about the dollars, then
Yeah.
it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's the same joke, Iman. It doesn't help if it's the same joke, but it is yet another stellar delivery of earnings from DBS. And now, the DBS Group Holdings has reported a net profit of $2.62 billion for its fourth quarter financial year 2024 results, and that ended December 31st of 2024, up 10% year over year, but down 13% quarter over quarter. Now, before you stop there, this actually brings the full year earnings to a new record of $11.4 billion. That's up 11% over the preceding financial year 2023. Tons of numbers to break down here. Fee income crossed about $4 billion for the first time. Wealth management grew 45%. Assets under management surged 17%. And overall, the bank enjoyed all-round growth from its commercial book net interest margin, its fee income, treasury customer sales, as well as markets trading income. How does that sound like to you, Emma?
Fantastic.
One simple word, fantastic. And that's even better news for income stream lovers, dividend lovers. You're going to love this. To reward eagerly awaiting shareholders, the bank plans to pay a final dividend of 60 cents, and that's up 54 cents per quarter. It had paid from the first quarter of financial year 2024 to the third quarter. That means it will bring a total of $2.22 per share for financial year 2024. And that's up 27%, I beg your pardon, over the preceding year. And this works out to be about a relatively generous dividend yield of about 5%. And as part of a bid to return excess capital in the coming 3 years, DBS will also introduce a so-called capital return dividend of 15 cents per share per quarter to be paid out over financial year 2025.
Wow, so really looking out for the shareholders, huh?
Tons and tons of support for the shareholders after the amount of money they've been putting in as investors have been pouring in cash into DBS. And looking into this year, DBS is expecting net interest income to come in slightly above 2024 based on 2 rate cuts expected in the second half of 2025. And that's way better than the guidance made at the third quarter results when the bank guided for similar levels. Now, Ahmad, after I read this statement, you're probably going to want to work for DBS as well.
Indeed.
Because they're taking care of the people very well, and they will reward all staff, excluding senior managers, with a special one-time bonus of $1,000.
Yeah, I saw that. And the first thing that occurred to me when I saw that was good luck finding a dinner table on Valentine's Day.
Oh, it comes in very, very timely. Yeah, it's going to be a tough one for them here. And good for all you DBS staff out there. In fact, outgoing CEO Piyush Gupta has said that they achieved a record financial performance in 2024 with a return on equity of 18%, one of the highest among developed market banks. So overall, it does seem like great news for DBS. The stock rose as much as 4.1% at the market open. That's the most since November. And so far, DBS has gained about 5% since the start of the year. That's taking the market value just about $4 billion short of $100 billion. And that would make DBS the first lender from Southeast Asia to reach such a level.
Amazing. They're breaking new ceilings every day.
Breaking new ceilings. That's exactly right. Now, verdict for DBS. I think it's a clear cut for me. Hot, hot, hot. What about you, Emaad?
I'm going to go with hot, 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 hot. That's 5 hots.
Oh, you've two-upped me, actually.
So a total of 8 between us. DBS is hot.
Yeah, and added up with TipRank's, Yahoo, and Barron's rating, the latest consensus forecast for the 11th of February is a strong buy, a buy, and a buy. So that's another triple hot for DBS. And that pretty much wraps it for our analysis of today's stock in focus, DBS. Now, Emaad, your favorite part of this segment.
Oh, yes.
What does DBS stand for?
Wow. You really got me there.
Right?
You really got me there. I was not expecting that.
I think not a lot of people know.
No,
this. Try it. DBS, what does it stand for? A lot of us know it for, its acronym, but not really the full term.
Development Bank of Singapore.
You're lucky because Audrey's on your side.
Who's Audrey? What are you talking about? Audrey's not in the room, Dan.
But good try. That's a start. All right. Now, DBS has also been named the best bank of the world multiple times by leading financial publications like Global Finance, Euromoney, as well as The Banker. And is also named the safest bank in Asia for the 15th consecutive year by Global Finance, which explains why you are a huge supporter of the bank.
Indeed.
Now, before I let you go, why are bank statements always so trustworthy?
I don't know.
Because they make a lot of sense. When does it rain money?
When does it rain money?
Yeah.
Every day.
When there's change in the weather. And last one, what do you call a man with a head full of change?
A man with a head full of change. It's too early for this, Dan.
Headquarters. Oh, gosh. And that's DBS for you.
Before acting on the information on Money FM, please consider if it's suitable for your own investment objectives, financial situation, and risk tolerance. To listen to more great interviews, download our podcasts at audio.sg or download the audio app. That's AWEDIO, audio at the App Store and Google Play.